Hello guys, and welcome back to my Python video series. In this video I'll be talking about booleans. So a boolean is a data type that can represent one of the two values, either true or false. So in Python we can evaluate any expression and the answer can either be true or it can be false. So let us assign a variable a to number, let's 19, and variable b to number 20. So, and then let us print, let's say a is greater than b, and let us compile our program. As you can see, this is false, so this is a boolean expression, false. So this represents a boolean expression. So a to be greater than 19 is false, since 19 is less than 20. So let us also evaluate another expression. Is a equal to 20? So when comparing expressions, we use the double equal sign to compare expressions. So when we assign variables, we just use a one equal sign, but when we are comparing expressions, we use double equal sign. So let's print it down. So as you can see, this returns a false statement. So this means that a is not equal to 20. And then let us take a look at another scenario. Let's print b is greater than a. Okay, so let's just say b is greater than a. As you can see, b is greater than a. The boolean returns a true statement. So as you can see, b is 20 and then a is 19. So this is logical. B is greater than a. So, and then let us look at another scenario. So we can also evaluate variables using booleans. For example, we can say print bool 10. So if we are evaluating integers, we want to evaluate integer. So let's write evaluating integers. So bool, if we pass in bool 10, this is a true. This returns true. So any expression, any integer is if we pass in any integer, the boolean returns true except for 0. So if we print bool 0, this returns a false statement. So as you can clearly see in Python, the number 0 is treated as false, and then the number 0 is treated as false. And then let us also evaluate strings. So let's just print, so evaluating strings, and then let us pass a string into the bool method, and then let's just say hello world. As you can see, the boolean function returns a true statement. So any string expression in Python is evaluated as a true statement. But what about empty strings? So let's just say empty strings. And let's say bool, and then let's just pass an empty string. As you can see, empty strings are treated as false in Python. So empty strings are treated as false in Python. So we can also convert booleans to other. We can also convert booleans to other data types. For example, we can convert a boolean into a string. So let's just converting boolean to string. And then let's just pass in true, the true statement. As you can see, converting boolean to string, this is converted to a string. As you can see, now it has double quotes. As you can see, now the statement now has double quotes. It has been converted to string. But if you look at the boolean data type, it doesn't have double quotes. So this simply tells us that this has been converted to a string. We can also convert the for statement. And then let's just pass in the for statement. As you can see, this has been converted into a string. As you can see, this now has single quotes, which shows that it has been converted to a string. So we can also convert booleans to integers. Converting booleans to integers. Then we can pass in the int method, and then the int method we can pass the true. We can pass the true statement. So the other thing I forgot to mention is that booleans, if you want to declare a boolean expression, they always start with a capital letter T in Python. So you find that in other languages like Java, you use a small letter T and a small letter F. But in Python, we use a capital letter T or F. Otherwise, the compiler won't understand what you'll be declaring. So as you can see, converting booleans to integers. So as you can see, true is interpreted as 1, is converted to 1 when you convert the boolean expression true is recognized as 1. True is recognized as 1 by the compiler. Let's also as you can see, also false is converted to 0. False is converted to 0. It is converted to 0. So this also tells us that the compiler recognizes false as 0 and then true as 1. So thanks guys for watching my Boolean, my introduction to Python video. So in the next video, I'll be talking about operators. Thanks for watching, guys.